We enjoy a sense of optimism and shared pride, all knowing that we will never forget the difficulties that this year has brought and the hard work and dedication of Vanderbilt staff. We are one community, we support each other, and we're able to work across boundaries, united by one common purpose and grounded in a common set of values. This was quite a year. We have worked incredibly hard this year. We need to celebrate and find the time to do so, and also find the time to have much needed rejuvenation. At the end of the day, success would not have been possible without your commitment every day to put this university's, its purpose, and its people first. We would not have been able to do this without your tireless commitment and your hard work day to day. Our staff embraced new models, navigated uncertainty, put others first like never before, and came up with new solutions to problems that none of us imagined necessary even a year and a half ago. And together, all of this made this year our proudest moment in the history of the university